Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to Touch 'n Go in 2025. If you're in Malaysia or dealing with e-wallets, this is a game changer for managing your funds quickly and securely. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account and a Touch 'n Go e-wallet set up. In 2025, integrations have gotten smoother, but you'll still need to verify your accounts for security. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone or logging into the website. Once you're in, head to the Wallet or Send and Transfer section. It's usually right on the homepage. Next, look for the option to add or link a bank or e-wallet. Touch 'n Go should appear as a partnered service by now, so select it from the list. If it doesn't show up, you might need to search for it under International Transfers or Linked Accounts. Enter your Touch 'n Go details, like your account number or email linked to it, and confirm the connection. PayPal will send a small verification code to your Touch 'n Go app. Just follow the prompts to approve it. Now, for the transfer itself, go back to the main menu and choose Transfer Funds. Input the amount you want to send. Remember, there might be fees, so check the exchange rates and costs up front to avoid surprises. Double-check the recipient details, then hit Confirm. The money should hit your Touch 'n Go wallet in minutes, depending on your location and any processing times. One quick tip: always use a secure network when handling transfers to protect your info. If you run into issues, like failed transfers, reach out to PayPal or Touch 'n Go support. They're pretty responsive these days. And that's it. You've just mastered transferring money from PayPal to Touch 'n Go in 2025. It's all about staying connected and in control of your finances. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.